Well, I have a 98-year-old father who actually lives, believe it or not, up in Canada, in New Brunswick, in the East Coast. And I live down in South Carolina, so that was the problem we were having as he got older. He lives by himself, that's still at 98, and cooks for himself and does it, but the TV control was a bit beyond him. And my sister would have to go over there on a regular basis to straighten everything out. When I found this product, JubileeTV, it was great because now I can control things from here. My sister can control things. And of course they can do video conferencing as well. I'd say it was good for him from the frustration part of it. He's a big sports fan, and a lot of times when he wanted to watch a game and if he couldn't get it on, he would be frustrated that it would take my sister a half hour to get over there, and by that time he'd missed a lot of the game and things like that. So this is allowing us to make his life easier that way. Again, the minute I found out about it, I bought it. I would say that this product should have been bought a long time ago, because there's no way I can visit my dad that often, where now, you know, I can through the Jubilee. I can look at him through the, and we can have teleconferences, of course. So I would say if you are remote at all and don't want to do all that traveling back and forth that much, it's a good time to get it. And it was perfect for my father because, like I said, he was getting very frustrated, missing, and it's added to his life because now he can watch his TV shows that he wants to watch.